Okay, so today's meeting is the triage meeting. So thanks everyone to attending. So we'll go through several pull requests and issues. The first one in Kubernetes, I've taken a look. There's not really new PRs or issues that has not been commented on. And then move on to SCD. So here are some pull requests that needs reviews. So the first one is about Zap Logger. So there's some bug in it when this one is open for more than a month, and we need somebody to review it. So this should be more or less straightforward. Any volunteers?
I'll join.
Mohammed, you're muted. Do you want to take this issue?
Take the PR?
Oops. Anyone interested?
Yeah, I can review it.
Okay, cool.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Do you want to assign it to me or should I just take it?
Can you assign yourself?
Okay.
Or we can
Yeah,
assign
I'll do it.
at him at the end of the. We probably could just
Ivan.
I
Yeah, that's me.
maybe put a okay.
I think if you do /cc, and then you tag someone, then you add him or her as a reviewer. FYI.
/cc you said?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do it the next one.
Mm-hmm.
The second one is about adding creation time to wall records. This one. Okay. This one resolve some issue in the. So this one, yeah. If anybody wants to take a look, not sure if it's actually needed, but it would be good to check with Benjamin or Mark if this is a good addition, and then review the code.
Anyone?
Anyone volunteers?
Maybe I can try my hand at it. Like, I'm not really sure, but I can give it a try.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's
Yeah,
your
the third one.
Vivek.
Awesome.
Thank you. Third one is DQ not returning watch error. The error from watch is not returned if the client token expires. Yeah. So the test has passed mostly. So I don't know if he added any test later as Mark requested, but we need someone to follow up. Yeah, this one seems to be simple. Just returning an error. So anyone want to take a look?
I can take a look, Mofi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so this one's fairly big. This one is the author want to add some feature to the embedded SC server, and then he's not really ready to merge the PR, but he wants some feedback on whether it's going in the right direction or not. So just need someone to go through it briefly, like go a rough pass and see if it's on the right track.
Probably not the best first issue, but
Yeah, looks like this one requires one of the maintainers take a look because this is asking more about like design decision stuff, right? So
or not necessarily maintainer, but like somebody with experience would be.
Yes, somebody familiar with the embedded server would be good. Yeah, no one, nobody wants to take
I
it.
can take it.
Who said that?
Mohammed,
Mohammed? Oh, thank you.
yes, you're welcome. What? AWAD. No, it starts with Awad. AWAD.
AWE.
Yes.
Could you add it in the chat?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there.
Okay, cool.
Let me see. Chat, did you? I don't have it there. I actually, could you put your,
Can you go?
handle into the chat?
Yeah. I just sent it in the chat.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this one is about test, adding integration test for retry loop in keep alive once. So I think Bogdan has already did some comment, and there's been no activity since. So it seems somebody need to do a follow up on it.
Yeah, maybe.
I can follow up.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and then the next one is some open issues. So the first one is about a GitHub action workflow. So we want to drop the measure test flakiness workflow because it's failing just every day. And we have a replacement for it with respect to the test grid. So we need to remove this old workflow and verify. Before that, we need to verify the new workflow is consistent with the results. So this will be a good first issue because this is more about GitHub workflow rather than SCD code itself. So
I kind of do want to just get familiar with the more GitHub flow.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Great.
stack.
What's your
Stack. Stack. EAK. It doesn't work. I'll go ahead and do it.
It's okay. It should. turn
It just
down.
yeah, it just doesn't recognize.
I don't.
One thing I want to say about the previous issue, right? Like it basically, Marek says we want to ensure that this runs every day instead of once per week. That basically means we want to change the cron definition of it so that it basically, because right now the cron definition is going to run every Sunday
Correct.
for the new test, right? We just want to change that to every day.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so that's a change we need to make in the new task grid likeness workflow. So we just change it to daily instead of weekly.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, whoever it got assigned to just need to open the file up and take a look. Cool, sounds good.
Okay. The second one is somebody reported one.
Isn't that the PR open for? The first PR was the same PR. It mentioned this issue in the bottom. That was the first PR in our list today, right?
Yeah, I think they're related, but they're not exactly the same.
I see.
Yeah. So this one is about not for some commands, it outputs the log like regular info log message to the terminal instead of just output the errors. So that makes some cron jobs like not clean. So, but it's in other use cases, it has the correct behavior like snapshot status. So that should probably be fixed. Yeah, when you do snapshot save, it will output all the logs into the terminal. But in other cases, only outputs the error message. So we should make it consistent.
Okay, gotcha.
Anyone interested? Take a look.
Yeah, I think that looks interesting. I can take a look.
Okay.
That's very much.
This one, I don't know if we need to do anything with it. So SCD CTO error message may confuse user because in some operations it might take a while and then the user might get a timeout message, but the operation might have gone through. This is actually like inherently like it's fine for SCD. It's kind of should be expected. Maybe there should be some documentation or like a better error message to remind people this might happen. Not sure. I don't know if Nitish wants to teach. He already commented on that. I guess he's not on the call. Yeah, maybe I'll just CC Nitish and see if he wants to.
Somebody has a siren in the background. Please mute yourself. I think that's Mofi. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
And I hope everything's fine.
Okay, so the next one is about tar command to install the instruction to install SCD with tar command. So it doesn't quite work for this person. Anybody want to try it out and see if there's actually some documentation issue or if this is just a one-off?
I can give this a try. I think I've tried this and it works fine, but maybe hold on, are they running from Windows or something?
Yeah.
No.
290. But
Yeah, okay. If it's from Windows, then I don't have a Windows machine, but I think they're doing it from Linux. So it's fine. You can assign this one to me.
okay, thank you.
And if you need someone to
Uh,
test it on Windows later, you can ping me.
Oh,
That's
it was
on
me.
Oh, sorry.
Uh,
Leave that. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry, you were saying something, Mufi?
Yeah, I was saying like if you need someone to test this on Windows later, yeah, you can ping me.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Thanks.
So next one is also about GitHub. So somebody wants to install the GitHub app for Slack or SCD. It seems to be useful if people want to get updates through the Slack about new releases or new pushes for SCD. This could be very useful.
We can't do that in Kubernetes Slack. I'm also a Kubernetes Slack admin, and we actually have a moratorium on Slack plugins because none of them are under good security control. And therefore we can't ensure the security of Kubernetes Slack as a whole if we allow people to add plugins. Sorry.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
I can go ahead and answer this one. What is it? 1690. Okay.
16A90.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and for Bboat, taking a look, so there's with uncommented issue, there's one big one feature request. They want to add benchmark for the compact function, and a lot of people has thumbs up, but nobody's taking it. So this is a nice feature and fairly big. So anyone wants to make bigger contributions can maybe take on this one. Or it can be in the backlog.
Maybe take a look and think about it and then sign ourselves after the meeting and then
Yeah.
revisit it again. Wolfie. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is not for the Bbolt one. There was a website issue that I had opened. I just wanted to see if this is actually worth fixing. So in the website, there are like I add an example. If you open the example there, like the quick start example right there. So it's kind of mixed. Like you have this $sign in a bunch of places. If you copy this, it's not a command you can run because it copies both the $sign and the output in the same block. So if someone is trying to copy paste these commands to test out a bunch of things in the etcd, CTL, it's not gonna work. It's gonna error out. So I was thinking we get rid of, but it's also mixed. Not every place has the same convention of $sign and not $sign. So I was thinking we'd clear that up and separate the output from the input you need to copy paste.
So Muffy, regarding this, I was working before with James, but it was lost in a pull request.
Gotcha. Okay.
So basically where I'm going to is that I was enabling a markdown lint. And basically the markdown lint rule says that if there is no output from the shell instruction that you are running, there shouldn't be a $sign. If there is output, there should be a $sign. So basically there's a markdown lint rule. If you want, I can comment on your issue.
Okay. Yeah.
Because so the problem with enabling the markdown lint in the etcd website repository is that it may open a can of worms. So my idea was to do it incrementally with every push that people were doing, just to lint that fragment. But again, it's lost in one thread in one pull request.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep. But yeah, I mean, I agree. We should standardize and we should follow what it's suggested by Markdown Lint.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's all I have prepared. Thank you everyone to taking on the issues or PRs, and thank you for attending.
All right,
9 minutes back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.